Hello everyone, this is Steven. Nice to meet you in LeadTech showroom. Today, I would like to share with you a case study of LeadTech inkjet printers. This is a project in one of the world's largest potato chips factory in India. The packaging is soft package, and the big roller of plastic film will be divided into 6 separate packages. The coding requirement is to print 15 digits manufacturing day plus factory codes on the white area, which size is 50 mm length and 5 mm height. The 15 digits must be exactly within the area and not allowed to shift out. The most difficult part is the line speed of the rewinding machine is from 20 meters per minute up to 3,000 meters per minute. During this print speed, the original print position will be moved back. If we adjust the print position at lower speed, such as 20 meters per minute, the message will be shifted out of the right side area. If we adjust the print position at higher speed, such as 300 meters per minute, the message will be shifted out of left side area. Our solution is we tested and measure the offset position in different speed, and we confirm to adjust the print position at higher speed. After collecting all the data, we design a controller to connect with the signal of photosensor and encoder to confirm the actual print speed. According to the actual print speed, the controller will send a signal of adjusting print delay to the printer. In this case, no matter at high speed or lower speed, the print message will still within the white area. LeadTech is competing with Domino for this project during that time. We got the information at the same time, while customer is still waiting for quotation from Domino. LeadTech has finished the installation of this project. Thank you for our fast-responding R&D team to win this project. If you have any questions, please email us at lt@leadtech.ltd. Thank you for watching and see you next time.